Visualize is a fantastic photo rendering software that allows us to generate marketing content straight from a CAD file. Because SOLIDWORKS 2019 has been released, I wanted to show you the new tools we can use in Visualize. Visualize can be a very heavy program to run, so to stay safe, we now have an option to set an auto recover. Under my options folder, we now have an auto recover tab where I can set auto save intervals and select where on my computer these files are saved. Visualize allows you to set the cap on live render passes, but now we can change that from our main screen on the fly. Note that both fast and accurate modes will have their own render pass numbers. We can now set physics-based simulations within Visualize. We now have a physics tab where I can set either a static or dynamic behavior. And if I run this simulation and I shake my model up, we can see how our pencils might fall if this were a real live object. I can use this result and render this as a photo, and this takes the work out of guessing where things might lie in a real-world situation. Now, there are also car simulations. There are several modes including path mode, turn mode, straight mode, and controller. As long as there are wheel and caliper components in our model, we can set up our simulation by applying the correct numerical parameters. We can also use the simulation wizard for a simpler setup. Once everything is set, we can run our simulation. If your company designs vehicles, this would be a great tool to use for trade shows. Lastly, my favorite new feature in Visualize 2019 is the fact that we can now use video decals on our model. These are applied just like a normal decal. I open the file, place it on my model, and adjust it accordingly. This is a great feature to get creative with because you can use this to animate dials, the view through a window, or other electronic devices. Visualize has become a more fun tool to use in 2019, and if you have not tried it yet, I recommend checking it out.